Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss or to derive the formula for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Here I have made a diagram in which a parallel plate capacitor is shown. Actually a parallel plate capacitor consists of two long plain metallic plates mounted on a insulating stand and placed at a small distance apart. Plates are parallel to each other and the space between them is filled with either air or some dielectric. Here two plates X and Y and which are separated by a small distance d. Let the area of the plates be a meter square. And the space between them is filled with a dielectric constant, and the value of dielectric constant is K. And the value of dielectric constant is K. Let the plate X is given a positive charge plus Q. Then due to induction the negative charge appears on the plate Y. Now the Y plate is connected to the earth, so the positive charge of this region goes to earth. Now the field lines starting from positive will terminate at negative, and the field between them, between the plates, is uniform everywhere. Let the surface charge density of the plates be sigma. Now the intensity of electric field at a point between two plane parallel sheets of equal and opposite charge, because the plates have equal and opposite charge and we want to find the intensity. So intensity between the plates will be equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. The value of intensity E is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. Because here the dielectric is placed of dielectric constant K, so the intensity will be E equals to sigma upon K epsilon naught. Now we know that sigma is equals to Q by A, so the value of intensity E is equals to Q upon K epsilon naught A. Now the potential difference, let the potential difference between the plates be V. So V is equals to E D. V is equals to E D. Now substituting the value of E from the above equation, we will get V is equals to QD upon K epsilon naught A. So the capacitance of the capacitor is C is equals to Q by V, and the value of V is this. On substituting this value, we will get C is equals to Q upon QD upon K epsilon naught A. Now this Q will cancel Q, so we will get C is equals to K epsilon naught A by D. This is the formula for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when there is a dielectric is placed between the plates. Suppose the dielectric is not placed, in place of dielectric there is air in between the plates, then the formula for the capacitance of air capacitor reduces to C naught equals to epsilon naught A by D. This is the formula for parallel plate air capacitor. This is the formula for air capacitor.